ask assistance from Ate Richie also, kasi she does our cakes as well.
Yeah, you wanna taste it?
Next one, we'll do the ear mug. I think easy. This one is easier. This one is easy lang. Oh, right? So, easy in 5 minutes. Look.
Hoy! Huli!
Actually, you can eat it.
Sarap nga daw yung white kasi marshmallow.
Because it's Piotraco. Or anyway, we're using Piotraco fondant. You can buy it at any supermarkets. Even online, Shopee, Lazada, they have. And also, we use the Piotraco gel colors. You can buy it right sa SM. They have Piotraco there. Siguro, I think ang price is 250, 260 per kilo. So you can make your own fondant positions at home.
Tita Ma, already started kasi there's too many.
Oh, there's too many. Okay. Actually, you can remove it and use it again. It's fine. Next one is the butters. You know how to make the butters now? I think you know how to make the butters now, do you? Ayan, tapos na standard mo.
I'll just add the dot.
Yes.
I'm just ordering
Nose then. Nose and
Yes,